Hi there! Looking for an easy way to generate custom tables in Google Sheets? You might have tried using Gemini for Workspace, but it only works with Gemini AI and has limitations. With AiAssistWorks, you can use any AI model and have no limits on the number of rows. To get started, open Google Sheets and launch the spreadsheet where you want to create a table. Navigate to the right sidebar and open the AiAssistWorks add-on. If you haven't installed it yet, check the tutorial link in the video description. In the AiAssistWorks sidebar, locate the Create Table section and provide a detailed description of your table, including column names and expected data. For example, countries with columns, country name, capital, population, GDP. AiAssistWorks has no limit on the number of rows, so you can define as many as you need by inputting the required number in the designated field. Choose an AI model from the available options. If no model appears, you'll need to connect to an AI provider by following the instructions in the description. Finally, specify where the table should appear in your spreadsheet, such as a starting cell or sheet. Once all settings are configured, click the Create Table button, and AiAssistWorks will generate the table based on your input. If you're working with a massive data set, AiAssistWorks may process it in segments. Simply click Continue after each segment to complete the table. To get the best results, define your columns and rows precisely, as AiAssistWorks allows complete flexibility. Once the table is created, review the generated data for accuracy. With AiAssistWorks, you can define your own column names, generate unlimited rows, and use any AI model, unlike Gemini for Workspace, which has restrictions. If this tutorial was helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and share. Now you're ready to create powerful custom tables effortlessly. Happy data managing!